Please check your audio and video settings, please. I keep on telling session will start at 5:45 p.m. every day. Did I say that statement earlier or not? Please, guys, try to have some patience. Okay, class content, spring. Here is our what? 614 introduction. Yeah, different types of frameworks we are talking about. Other day we are talking about different types of frameworks that are there in Java. Understanding my statement? Okay, different types of frameworks in Java based. In Java, based on kind of application they are used for development. ORM frameworks, MVC frameworks, web service frameworks, big data frameworks. Clear, guys? Any newcomers are there? Any newcomers are there? Please let me know. If any newcomers are there, already 5 sessions are completed. You can still join in this course. But you have to watch these 5 backup videos. But you need to watch these backup videos. Clear, guys? In 1-2 days time, you make sure that you have watched these backup videos. Then you can happily continue in this batch. We are in the beginning days of the classes only, beginning days of the course. Nothing serious started. You can continue, but only on one condition. In next 1-2 days, you have to complete 5 backup videos. Yeah, frameworks are what, guys? Frameworks are special software that are built on technologies, simplifying the application development process. What is their specialty, boss? What is their specialty, boss? They are technology plus. They are built on the top of technology. They generate common logics dynamically. They make the programmer only to think about what? Application specific logics, right? Other day I compared frameworks with what, guys? Fully finished products. What is the real life example I have taken to explain frameworks? Maggi noodles. Frameworks are like Maggi noodles. Almost everything is ready. Only we have to give final touch. We just need to give the final touch, right, boss? We just need to give the final touch. What do you say, guys? Programming languages are like raw materials, wheat granules and rice granules. Technologies are like semi-finished products, rice powder or atta, wheat powder, atta. Yes or no, na? Okay. Next. Frameworks are like fully finished products. Almost everything is there. We have to give final touch. Almost everything is there. We have to give final touch, right? Those people who joined today and missed the last 5 classes, please collect these backup videos and start watching them. And make sure that you are going to complete them in next 2 days. Everyone getting my point? Super. Tell me next one. Yeah. In Java, how many types of frameworks are there to develop the applications? 4 types of frameworks are there. What are those? ORM frameworks, MVC frameworks, web service frameworks, big data frameworks. Other day we completed ORM frameworks, object relational mapping frameworks. These frameworks are there to develop what logics, guys? Persistence logics. Nothing but performing insert, update, delete, select operations on DB table records. Performing insert, update, delete, select operations on what? DB table records. Are you understanding my statement, guys? All these operations will be done through objects because objects will be mapped with the DB table records. So these objects based logic is the database software independent logic or not? Super, guys. What are the examples for ORM frameworks? Hibernate is one. Top link is one. Link is one. IBTC is one. MyBTC is one, and etc. What is the best one in the market? Hibernate is the best in the market. Okay, all these ORM frameworks are internally developed based on. All these ORM frameworks are internally developed based on which technology? JDBC technology, right? JDBC technology. They internally use JDBC, but they never make programmer to worry about it, right, boss? Okay, fine. So those who missed initial classes, please watch backup videos. I spend half an hour time to explain what is ORM frameworks. So you focus on ORM frameworks while watching backup videos. There you will get detailed explanation. Shall we go for next framework, guys? MVC frameworks, boss. Let's start understanding MVC frameworks. Okay, MVC is nothing but model view controller. Model view controller. MVC is an what is there? Popular architecture to develop the web applications, nothing but websites, guys. To develop the web applications, nothing but websites as layered applications. Layered applications. What do you mean by layered applications? Keeping different logics. Okay. Tell me, guys. Keeping different logics in different classes or files. Understanding my statement? And keeping them in interaction. Keeping them in interaction, right, boss? Keeping them in interaction. Simply keeping them in interaction, boss. So that is what layered application. Layered application. MVC is an popular architecture to develop the web applications as layered applications, boss. Okay, nothing but keeping different logics in different classes or files and keeping them in interaction. So keeping them in interaction means what? We want to see they are talking with each other. We want to see they are talking with each other. Understanding my statement? MVC frameworks provides abstraction on servlet, JSP technologies, right, boss? In Java, basically we use servlet JSP technology to develop the website. JDBC to talk with the database software. ORM frameworks internally uses JDBC, provide abstraction layer on JDBC, and simplifies persistence logic development. Nothing but database interaction and database data manipulation. Okay, MVC frameworks provides abstraction on what? Servlet JSP technologies. Provides abstraction on what? Servlet JSP technologies and simplifies MVC architecture based Web applications development. Web applications development. What do you mean by abstraction, guys? These MVC frameworks internally uses Servlet JSP technologies, but they never make programmer to worry about it. They never make programmers to worry about it. And they take care of common logic generation, and they will make sure that programmer will develop only application specific logic. They will make sure that programmer will develop only application specific logics. I already said this point now, boss. Abstraction means hiding the details. Exposing only necessary details, hiding the unnecessary details. So MVC frameworks internally uses Servlet JSP technology. Takes the responsibility of generating common logics internally. Takes the responsibility of generating what? Common logics internally. Are you understanding my statement? And simplifies what? MVC architecture based web application development was. Okay. Super. What are the examples, guys? Struts is there. From which company? From Apache company. JSF is there. Java server faces. From which company? Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem. Recently, this company, recently 6-7 years back, it is acquired by Oracle Corporation. Next, WebWork is there. From which company? Open Symphony company. Open Symphony company. Next, Spring MVC. From which company? Interface 21. In that company, Pivotal is the team name. Pivotal is the team name. Spring Boot MVC. From Interface 21, Pivotal team. Yeah, I already said, guys, Spring Boot is equal to Spring plus plus. Spring plus plus. Esa no na. Okay. Spring Boot frameworks are given as a collection of modules. Okay. And these modules can be used together or independently in the application development process. Individually in the application development process. Everyone understanding my statement? Okay. The modules are some example: core module, AOP module, JDBC module. TX is official word. Transaction can be written as TX. Transaction management module, MVC module. Come on. ORM module, security module, and etc. Okay. Mail module. Okay. Scheduling module. Right, was, and etc. was. Many names are there. Nearly 20 plus modules are there. 20 plus modules are there. These modules can be used together, can be used individually. Okay, that's why. Okay. Understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, this is Spring Boot MVC was. Spring Boot MVC is there. These are Java. As of now, market leader is Spring Boot MVC number 1. Okay. Number 2 is Spring MVC. After that, bit popularity is there for JSF. Number 3. Remaining all are outdated. Only for knowledge sake I have given them. Only for knowledge sake I have given them. Clear, guys? Super. This is there to develop the database connectivity logics. Nothing but persistence logic. This is there to develop the websites. Okay, this is there. Okay, next what, guys? Web service frameworks, boss. Before launching web service framework, I must explain what is distributed application and in what way it is different from web application. Then I have to think about web service. Then I have to think about web service framework. After all, web service and web service frameworks are there to develop distributed application, to simply develop distributed application. Are you listening my statement, guys? Super. Okay. Shall we start understanding what is distributed application first? Yeah, listen carefully. Everything I will teach, one by one I will teach. Distributed application. It is a client server application where the services of server application, also called provider application, also called producer application. The services of server application, provider application, or producer application can be accessed from different types of remote or local clients. Remote or local client applications. Remote or local client applications, boss. Okay. Through method invocations. Through method invocations. Are you listening my statement, boss? Are you understanding my statement? Different types of remote or local client application through method invocations. Examples, boss. UPI payment applications. All these are distributed applications. UPI payment applications, boss. GPay, PhonePe. GPay, PhonePe. Come on, guys. Okay, GPay, PhonePe. I think we have BharatPe. BharatPe. Airtel Pay also. Airtel Money has come now. Airtel Money, right? Paytm. The big list is there, Rabba. Big list is there like this. Big Amazon Pay also there. Super. These are what? Distributed applications. Okay. Google Classroom for this batch is not created. Google Classroom for this batch will be created once the link is changed. Once the link is changed. When I say ... are remaining things. Amazon Pay, WhatsApp Pay, everything will come later, boss. Okay. Okay. Next one, guys. Next one. Payment gateway applications. Payment gateway applications. You can use your credit card and debit card in other country, though it is given by Indian Bank. Invocation means calling the methods. Lachu Singh, you have completed core Java without having knowledge of what is invocation. Can you check your core Java null? Those who joined just today, okay, please watch first 5 backup videos. Please watch first backup videos. You will get every details about this course. What is the duration of the course? Okay, what are the topics covered? Everything will come. Since people are asking, 60 to 70 sessions are required Okay, you can do this course and core Java parallelly, but you should already complete core Java oops. If you have core Java oops, right? No need of taking running notes. Okay, after the session, everything will be shared with you. Each and every document will be shared with you. Okay, right, but timings cannot be changed, guys. Timing is fixed. Super. If you don't have core Java knowledge, okay, especially oops knowledge, drop from this batch. You can do this course and advanced Java parallelly. You can do last topics of core Java and this course parallelly, right, boss? Okay, super, guys. What is the amount of this course? If you are a full stack student, it is part of the course. No need of separate payment, right? If you are not a full stack student, if you are looking to join in this course separately, 3,500 is the course fee. 3,500 is the course fee, where entire spring will be taught. Super. Payment gateway applications, boss. What do you mean by payment gateway applications, my dear? Okay. Array, you are able to use your credit card, debit card anywhere in the world? Anywhere in the world, come on. With the support of this Visa, Master, Mastrio, this kind of application only you are able to do that or not. Because they provide worldwide infrastructure to operate credit cards and debit cards, right, boss? They provide worldwide infrastructure to operate credit cards and debit cards. What do you say, boss? Alexa, activate balcony central light.
Okay.
Okay. Visa, Master, Mastrio, Master, Mastrio. Tell me next one. Okay. Rupe is not the payment gateway. Sorry. Amex. Amex is there. And dot. Many options are there. Okay. PayPal is a different one, guys. Amex means American Express. American Express, boss. Right, boss. Now listen. Payment broker applications are between e-commerce websites and these payment gateways. There will be middleman. There will be middleman sending right credit card, right debit card to right payment gateway. That will not be done by e-commerce applications. There will be one middleman doing that work. And that middleman is called payment brokers, boss. Those middleman people are called payment broker applications. Payment broker applications. What they are? PayPal. Sir, why these people are required? Array, Flipkart is busy selling the products. And for Flipkart, different customers will come. Some people will carry Visa cards. Some people will carry Master cards. Some people will carry what? Amex cards. Some people will carry Mastrio cards, right? So when card is submitted for bill payment, okay, that card will not directly go to payment gateway application. First, it will go to payment broker. Payment broker will identify. Payment broker will seriously identify which card belongs to which payment gateway. Then he will start communicating with what? Payment gateway on behalf of e-commerce website. On behalf of e-commerce website. So PayPal, Roser Pay. Okay, Roser Pay. Come on. Next, Pay You Money. Pay You Money. Pay You Money. Nemo Money. You heard all these names? Okay, Airtel Money is a UPI, a muddy fellow. Okay, Nemo Money. Credit is not. Sorry. Okay, Bill Desk, and etc. No, these are not that much visible outside, guys. These people are what? Broker between, mediators between. These applications are mediator applications between e-commerce applications and payment gateway applications. Right, boss? Okay, boss. These applications provide worldwide infrastructure. Infrastructure to operate the credit cards and debit cards. Guys, I want you people to listen continuously. Credit cards and debit cards. So when I'm talking about payment broker application, someone is saying Google Pay. Sagar Malli, if you use your brain properly, already it is GPay comes under what, guys? GPay, Google Pay comes under what? UPI payment, na boss? Okay. Credit cards and debit cards. Super, boss. Okay. Next, we have a lot of other things, guys. We have a lot of other examples. Yeah, ICC score component. To get cricket score of, to get live cricket score of, what is that? To get live cricket score of ICC matches, right, boss? ICC cricket matches. Array, except ICC, no one is having authority to do count, boss. Count of the score or scoring of the matches. Cricket score, cricket matches, ICC cricket matches, IPL score component. IPL matches score component will be given to get live cricket score of IPL matches, right, boss? IPL matches. Understanding my statement? Google Classroom will be created once link is changed. Initial classes notes will be shared in the Facebook group. And just now I have shared Facebook group details. Once again, I am sharing. I'll show how to collect the notes from the Facebook at the end of the session. Can you focus on the batch? Boss? Okay, guys. Weather report component, guys. Weather report component to get live weather report. Guys. Next, BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange component to get BSC share values, right? NSC component, National Stock Exchange component to get NSC share values, NSC share values. Like this, we have n number of distributed applications, na boss. World is full of distributed application. Mostly they will be there in the background. We think that Flipkart is doing everything. No, yes. No, sir. For bill payment, if you give credit card to, please listen. For bill payment, if you give credit card to Flipkart, it will pass to PayPal, payment broker. PayPal will pass to Visa application. Visa application will talk to bank application. So bank application says money can be sanctioned because he is having eligibility, right? Then money goes bank to Visa, Visa to PayPal, PayPal to Flipkart. And in all these things, 2% commissions will be taken at different levels. And remaining balance will go to PayPal. The remaining balance will go to PayPal. Bank person will take 0.5% commission. Okay. Visa people will take 0.5% commission. Okay. This payment broker PayPal is there now. That fellow will take another 0.5% commission. That's the reason they encourage you to use credit card and debit cards a lot, because they get lot of money, they get lot of commission, they got lot of percentage in each transaction. Everyone understanding my statement, boss? Generally, these applications will be there in the background. These applications will be there in the background, guys. Super, guys. Tell me, guys. Example application on distributed application. Example application of distributed application. Yeah, listen, guys. Okay. Example application on distributed application. BSC component. Bombay Stock Exchange. What, guys? Bombay Stock Exchange component. Bombay Stock Exchange component. Yeah, this is my server application, guys. Okay, which is running on this one. Mission 100. Okay. So there we have a server application. Server application or provider application or producer application. Any name you can give, boss. Any name you can give. Producer application, right? There we are having one component. What is that? BSC Stock Exchange component. Okay, BSC component. Yeah, this is this one. The services of this can be accessed from different applications now, boss. Super. How we can access? Here is the end user. What is distributed application, guys? What I said about distributed application. It's a client server application where the services of server application or provider application or producer application can be accessed from different types of remote or local client application through method invocation. Method invocation means method calls. Okay, remote means anyone. Okay, a server application is also called provider. Provider application is also called producer because they generate something. They do some operations for us. Okay, Lokesh, can you improve your English vocabulary? Server application is called provider because they provide services. Okay. Provider application is called producer because they produce results. They generate results. That's why. Yeah, who is this fellow, guys? End user. Okay, end user, guys. Here is what their browser. Here is what their sharecon.com website. Sharecon.com website, guys. Yeah, now tell me. So this website is now client to BSC component now, boss. Now this website is we're using sharecon.com. We can sell the product, we can sell the shares, we can buy the shares. Remember, recollect, he is the customer, guys. Customer operates the website by using browser. Browser interacts with sharecon.com. Sharecon.com will interact with what, guys? BSC stock component. BSC stock component. Interesting or not? Super. Same end user, boss. Same end user. He will operate. He will communicate with BSC through mobile application. Through mobile application. Understanding my statement? Super, guys. Okay. Through mobile application, boss. Here what? Android mobile application. Android mobile application. Okay, this time this mobile application is Zerodha application. Let us assume Zerodha is one. Zerodha is one what? Stock market broker application or not? Stock market trading application or not? Come on, my dear. Super. Either through with this website or through this mobile application. We can interact with BSC stock exchange. And where we can sell the shares and we can purchase the shares. Okay, boss. Same setup. Same setup can be there in what? In iOS also, na boss. Same setup is also can be there in iOS. iOS mobile application. What do you say, guys? iOS, Apple boss. iOS mobile application. So not compulsory Zerodha should be there. Here same Zerodha can be there, or we have lot of other options also. Upstock is there, right? Upstocks is there. There are so many companies acting as a broker applications. Okay. Super boss, go there. Yeah, interaction is happening, right? Super guys. Tell me, sometime this end user, sometime this end user can interact with what, guys? Sometime this end user can interact with what, guys? One or other desktop applications, boss. They will be giving some desktop applications. Come on. Desktop application which can be executed from regular computers. Desktop applications, right? Okay, this desktop application will interact with what? A BSC stock exchange component, right, boss? Super. BSC stock exchange component. Possibility is there or not there? Super. Next, sometimes what happens, they prepare some special devices, Ra. They prepare some special devices. They prepare some special devices which are linked with IoT, Internet of Things, right? IoT devices. So from there also they will give provision. If you go to stock market, original Mumbai location, guys, there will be special devices will be there to operate these stocks. When you go to railway station, they are providing special devices to book the tickets or not. They are providing special devices to book the tickets or not. Yes or no, na, boss? They're providing special devices to check the status of the train. Yes or no, na? Similarly, if you go to Mumbai location, they provide special devices to purchase the share, to sell the shares. To purchase the shares or to sell the shares, right now. Super. Here what is there? IoT application or embedded system application. Embedded system application for trading, boss. For trading. All are there for trading only. Okay, IoT application. Listen. So tell me, all these will communicate with BX stock exchange from remote location. So definitely there will be network between them or not. So definitely there will be big network, boss. Definitely there will be network. Understanding? Super, boss. We can. Yes. Here is the network. Yeah. A typical distributed application looks like this. Yeah. All these are the different types of client application. Did you convince yourself, boss? All these are various types of client applications. Understanding my statement? Different types of client applications. Different types of client applications, boss. Yeah. Okay, now you have a look on this. It's a client server application where the services of server application or provider application or producer application can be accessed from different types of remote or local client application through method invocation. Simply through method invocation. Here what happened? How ShareCon website will use the services of this BSC component, guys, through method calls. Through method calls. Here, how Android application will use the service of BSC component method calls. How iOS application will do this work? Through method calls, right? How desktop application will do this work? Through method calls. Super, guys. How embedded system will do this work? Simply through method calls, right, boss? Are you understanding my statement? At least you got the idea. The client of distributed server application can be a website, can be a mobile application, can be a iOS mobile application, can be a desktop application, can be IoT application, can be X, can be Y, can be Z. Can be X and can be Y, can be Z. So the client application for the client application for the client application for the server or provider application or producer application of distributed application can be a website or desktop application or mobile application or IoT application, Internet of Things ra babu, or embedded system application or mainframe application. And all our ATM machines are mainframe machines ra babu. Mainframe application or anything. Or anything. Can be anything. Can be anything. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. To develop the server or producer or provider or producer applications of distributed application we can use what are those? RMI, EZB, and etc. Java technologies. RMI, EZB, etc. Java technologies. Super, guys. B, web services. Web services based Java frameworks. Web services based Java frameworks. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Web services based Java frameworks, boss. Super. When it comes to web services based frameworks, web services is not specific to what? Java environment, boss. What's the problem with this technologies, guys? Both client and server application must be there in Java. This is the biggest limitation, guys. Web service based frameworks, boss. The client and server application can be there in same domain, same domain or different domain. Can be there in same domain or in different domain. The client and server applications. Must be there in Java. The client and server application can be there in same domain, can be there in different domain, can be there in different domain. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. Okay, guys. Examples for web service frameworks in Java. Okay, they are there in other domains also, but I'm giving with respect to Java base. Tell me what? JAX Debless, Apache CFX, Apache Axis. All these are what? Various frameworks that are there to develop the web services. Here we have other options also, guys. JAX RS, REST-EZ. Tell me. Spring REST, Jersey, and etc. These are the various frameworks that are there in Java to develop what? Web services. Indirectly distributed applications. Are you understanding my statement? So these are outdated, Babu. RMI is AB1 are outdated. Web services are doing well. Doing good. Web services are doing good. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. So that means this BSc component can be developed either using RMI or EasyAB or web service. Okay. RMI EasyAB is outdated. What's the problem with RMI EasyAB? If I use RMI EasyAB, if it is there in Java, definitely it will be there in Java. And all client applications should also be there in Java. They don't allow non-Java environment applications as client application. But if I develop the same thing in what? Web service environment. Though I developed it in Java, they can be there in different technologies. No problem. Though it is there in Python, they can be there in different technologies. Different clients can be there in different technology. BSc component I developed in .NET web service. Java website, Android mobile application, iOS mobile application, desktop application in Python, okay, embedded system application in some other language. Some of the clients can be there in Java. Some of the clients can be there in Java. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. The web service frameworks allow us to develop the client and server applications of distributed applications as interoperable applications. That means the client applications can be there in any domain and the server applications can be there in any domain. Okay, domain. Are you understanding my statement? When I use the word domain, boss, okay, domain means language or technology or platform or operating system, anything, right? Language or technology or platform or operating system. OS means, you know, operating system, na boss. In fact, architecture also you can see. The word domain represents multiple meanings. The word domain represents multiple meanings. I hope you are understanding my statement. Interoperable, interoperable. Server application can be there in any technology, any language, any operating system. Client application can be there in any language, any technology, in any operating system. Is it not interesting, Rababu? Is it not interesting? Come on, everyone. I think you got the clear-cut idea about distributed application. Okay. Is it not? Is it not distributed applications? The people who joined, if you watch 5 backup videos, you will get more clarity. If you are feeling I'm going a bit fast, it's not right. I'm going very slow. I'm going very slow because you are new to class. Since you have not watched pre-backup videos, it is looking bit new, bit fast. But complete the backup videos in next 1-2 days. Every wording of mine you will catch. Newcomers, you got something out of it. At least 70%, 60%. You are on track. You are on track. I'm just building the concept, nothing else. I'm just trying to explain what is what. When I ask a question, please respond. When I ask a question, please respond. Newcomers and oldcomers, can you respond in the chat box? Are you following me? Are you with me? You got basic idea what is distributed application? Okay. IoT means internet. Internet of things. Mainframe is a different machines. Mainframe machines are totally different machines, boss. ATM machines are called mainframe machines. ATM machines are called mainframe machines, right? IoT, Internet of Things. Devices will start using internet. Home automation is there, na? Home automation, Alexa based. Internet of Things, guys. Super. Next one. IoT, Internet of Things. Next one is what, boss? You asked mainframe. Mainframes. Different architecture computer. Admin details, everything I'll share at the end of the course. Different architecture computers. ATM computer. ATM machines are IBM architecture machines. ATM machines are IBM architecture machines. Okay, IBM mainframe architecture machines. Mainframe architecture machines. RMI means remote method invocation. RMI means remote. It's one technology name. Remote method invocation. Invocation means calling the methods. EJB, enterprise Java beans. Enterprise Java beans. Okay. Example for IoT is Alexa home automation, right?
The T20 match between the home segments has not started yet.
Right, boss. Alexa, stop. Since I used the word Alexa, my Alexa got started. Right? My Alexa got started, right? Super. Now listen. Super, guys. Okay. Don't write notes. No need of writing notes. I'll share everything with you. Vishal Pratap, I cleared this one every time. Please stop becoming LKG, UKG students. Stop becoming LKG, UKG student. Behave like a graduates. Okay. Super. No need of writing notes, guys. Listen, analyze, and resist in your brain. You are not here to write the copies of notes. You have to listen, you have to analyze, you have to resist in the brain. Use your brain for positive things, not for old things. Writing. Nah, nothing happens with you. After joining in the company, what you have to do? You should take the requirement, you should understand the requirement, you should analyze the requirement, you should code it. There, if you write the notes, nothing, no one will give you job, right? It's all about understanding and writing the code. So anyhow, I'm sharing everything with you people, right, boss? So please try to behave like an engineer, try to behave like a graduate. Super, guys. Yeah, what is the web application then? What is the web application? Everyone focus, guys. Web application is a client server application. Client server application, where server application is software application and the client application is fixed browser software. Come on. Fixed browser software giving requests to what is there? Server application, nothing but website, right? And getting results or response from website. Results are response from server application. Are you getting my point, guys? Okay. Giving response or this application, nothing but website. Okay. Yeah, client application is a fixed client. Yeah. What is that? Browser software. And the client application is a fixed browser software giving request to server application and getting results, nothing but responses from the server application. Everyone understood, guys? Here is what? End user. End user uses what? Browser. Here is the network, guys. Here is the network, right, boss? Here is the mission 10. Mission 10. This is the web application or website. Web application or website, which is a server application. Yes, boss. Here is my mission 1. Yeah, here is browser, guys. Browser. What is there? Chrome browser. As usually, this is a network, right, boss? As usually, this is a network. Browser gives a request, guys. To server application. Server application gets a response, boss. The response will be displayed in the browser as a web page. The response will be displayed in the browser as a web page. Yes or no, na boss? This is the web page. Yeah, this is my request. This is my request. This is my response. Okay, we generate request. That request is processed by website. That generates a result, nothing but response. That response will be displayed as a web page. The response will be displayed as a web page. This end user operator operates the website through browser only, na boss. The operator operates the website simply through browser. Simply through browser, guys. Here is my end user. Here is my end user. I hope you understood, guys. What are the examples, guys? nareshit.com. nareshit.com. Oh, super. Next one. gmail.com. flipkart.com. All these are what? Websites, guys. flipkart.com and etc. Amazon.com. Everything is a website, boss. Most of the times we are seeing them as a website. Super, guys. Now, very important question of the day. What is the difference between web application, nothing but website, and distributed application, which is also called remoting application. Another name for distributed application is remoting application. Another name for web application is distributed application. Sorry, website, guys. So shall we see differences? Very popular interview question if you are a fresher. For experienced people, they don't ask this kind of small questions. They ask a bit heavy questions. But as a fresher, these are such a question, you feel you can give answer, but you cannot give clarity. You feel you heard them somewhere, but you never can explain claritily. At least after today's class, you can explain claritily, na boss. Okay, one side website. Guys, you should respond. Otherwise, I cannot feel what you are going through in your brain. When I ask to respond, please respond. If you don't respond, I'm helpless. Really helpless, boss. Okay. Website or distributed application. Okay. Mr. Ezra, I hope you are not listening class properly. I said Google Classroom link will be given once link is changed. I think this is my seventh announcement of today's session. Be in the classroom, my dears. Don't do time pass in the classes. Okay, super. Website and distributed application, guys. It is client server application. It is client server application having browser software as the fixed client application. Fixed client application. Yes or no, na boss? Super, guys. It is client server application where client server application where different types of clients are allowed, client applications are allowed, like websites, mobile applications, desktop applications, and etc. IoT applications and etc. Interesting or not? Super, boss. B. B. What is B, guys? Okay. Here only server application is programmable application. Programmable. When I say server application, website, guys. Website is programmable application because the client application is fixed browser software. Okay. Yes, boss. Yeah, website, web application, you can say one and the same, boss. See, guys, here both client and server applications are programmable applications. Are both can be developed by the programmer or not? Come on. Super. Right. Super, guys. Yeah. Next, see, guys. These are thin client. Array client side nothing is there. Client side nothing is there, right? Very less weight browser. That's why thin. Thin means very less weight. Fat server applications. These are thin client, fat server. Fat means everything is there at server side. Many things are there at server side. Client side only browser. That's why thin client, fat server applications. These are fat client. Client side logics are there, server side logics are there. Fat server application. So both are fat, boss. Both are big applications. Both are heavy applications. Come on, both can be heavy application. B. These are thin client, fat server application. These are fat client, fat server applications, boss. What is D, guys? What is D? Tell me. Here the communication model is request response model. Yes or no? Na? Client browser will send the request. Server means website will give the response, right? Here the communication model is method invocation model. Fat means not slow, Babu. Fat means heavy. Heavy means more code is there. Method invocation, method calls model. Method invocation model, guys. Got it? Okay. Communication model is method invocation model. Communication protocols are HTTP, HTTPS. Are you understanding my statement, guys? The communication protocols are HTTP, HTTPS. HTTP over SSL. Security, boss. SSL means secured socket layer, right? Secured socket layer, Babu. Here the communication protocols are communication. TCP/IP will be there always at network level, Babu. Communication protocols are here also. HTTP is there in some models, Babu. Along with that, JRMP is there. JRMP is there. IIOP is there. And many etc. protocols are there. Many etc. are there. What is this? HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS, HTTP over SSL. SSL means, come on, super guys. Array, in website, we generate the request by clicking on hyperlink by typing URL in the address bar. Yes, na? To communicate with the website. That's why request to response model. What is in distributed application? Server application method will be called in client application method. Seriously, method call will happen, right? That's why distributed application model is method invocation model. Here, request response model. SSL, right, guys? Secured socket layer. Secured socket layer was. JRMP was. Java remote method protocol. Next, IIOP. Internet ORB protocol. What is ORB, guys? Object request to broker. Object request to broker. Object request to broker, guys. Super. There are different protocols are allowed, boss. Different protocols are there allowed. Super, guys. Tell me, array, it's not best, guys. According to technology, protocol will change, the waste fellows. Okay. According to technology, protocols will change. According to application, protocols will change. Good, bad, come out of that feeling. Along with the technology, sometimes protocol also will be outdated. Okay. Super, guys. Tell me here, we can use Servlet JSP Java technologies. Develop the websites. We can use web service frameworks. Acha, 1 minute. We can use RMI EasyB technologies. Technologies. To develop the web applications or distributed applications. Distributed applications. Super, guys. G. We can use struts. Struts JSF. Spring MVC. Spring Boot MVC. And etc. Java frameworks. To develop the websites. G. We can use JAX WS, JAX RS, Jersey, Axis, and etc. And etc. Java web service frameworks. Tell me, guys, distributed application cannot use Servlet JSP as well. No. Okay, web service frameworks to develop the distributed applications. Distributed applications. Okay, boss. Super, boss. Next, last one. Already you know that, but I'm giving it. Examples for what is the examples for the web applications, guys? nareshit.com, flipkart.com, and etc. What are the examples for distributed applications, guys? Okay, UPI payment applications. Payment applications. Okay, banking applications. There's no need of saying separately. Banking applications, payment gateway applications, and etc. There are many things like this or not. There are many things like this or not, boss. Super. When I say banking application, net banking applications, Ra Babu. ICICI net banking. Lot of applications are there or not. I think now no confusion between website and distributed application. Okay, since one more demand, public demand, guys. Here, browser to software application communication takes place. Browser to software application communication takes place. Right, boss? Here, application to application communication takes place. Super, guys. How? Array, Flipkart is one. Flipkart.com website is there, mobile application is there. Amazon website is there, mobile application is there. If you don't know, keep quiet. Don't try to show your talent of innocence. Here, application to application communication takes place. Got it, boss? Super. Everyone enjoyed, guys? All the differences? Okay, I'll take few names. Can you identify what is that? Can you identify what is that? Web application is developed without framework. Maddi fellow. Chandan Kumar, keep concentration in your main Ra Babu. Struts, JSF, Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC. All these are not frameworks. All these are not frameworks, guys. Definitely they are also frameworks. All right. I'll take few names. Can you identify what are those, guys? OnlineRummy.com. OnlineRummy.com. Website. OnlineRummy.com website. Poker.com. Poker.com website. Okay. Poker.com website. Next. Jepto.com. Jepto.com website. Okay. Weather report component. Distributed application, right? Currency converter. Currency converter. Distributed application. Okay. FIFA application. Football related FIFA application. FIFA application. Distributed application. Esa no na? FIFA application. Distributed application. Tell me. Ticket booking application. Ticket booking application. Distributed application. Because it contains tickets information. Right, boss? Ticket booking application. Distributed application, boss. Live game score application. Live game score application. Distributed application. Right, boss? Yeah. Guys, please look at. This is the previous class notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Okay. Super, boss. Upload files. Class content. Spring 64. What is today's session? What is today's session, guys? 30th. Yeah. Mainly I focused on what? Web application and distributed application in today's class. Web application and distributed application in today's class. Okay. Super, guys. Yeah, we have technologies, we have the frameworks to develop both web applications and distributed application. How to download a NTSP 64FS is your batch code. Dot download. It will come in downloads folder. It will come in downloads folder like this. Okay, to learn Spring Boot, Spring is required. Yes, right click, open with Paint, and you can read the notes as usual. You can read the notes as usually. Understanding my statement? Super, guys. From website, we can communicate with the distributed application. Within the website, distributed application will not be there. From website, there will be a provision to communicate with what? Distributed application. Clear? Super, boss. Super. Yeah. Through method calls, that communication is possible. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Okay. Newcomers, you will get answer for all your queries. What is the duration of the course? What are the topics covered? What is the prerequisite? When you watch video 1, which is a backup video. When you watch video 1, okay, how to arrange Spring software, we will discuss in the coming days. First, focus on what I am presenting. Okay. Calmly, Milin, do you have any common sense? 2 minutes back, I said, no Google Classroom until link is changed. No Google Classroom until link is changed, right? Super. Mahendra, everyday classroom notes is given in what? Facebook and Facebook group detail just now I shared. Facebook group detail just now I shared. I will accept your friend request or group approval request after the session. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow at 5:45, not at 5:30. Your session timing is 5:45. Thank you. Regarding microservices, we will discuss later. Thank you, boss. Just now I shared Facebook links. Just now I shared Facebook group links. In the chat box, it is there. Please collect very fastly.